Hi, welcome back to Ambrosi Design. I'm Taryn. I'm just doing a bit of an unboxing video today for the launch of Alice's Wonders. So I'm not sponsored by Alice's Wonders at all. I purchased these items myself, but I just wanted to share the unboxing of the new soaps by the brand. So it's a local brand in Queensland, Brisbane, Queensland. And they've just released 3 brand new soaps so we've got a cleansing soap, a conditioning soap and a scrubbing soap, and they all have different fragrances. And at the moment on their website, so aliceswonders.com.au, if you buy all 3 together, you will get I believe it's a 20% discount. I'll double check that for you, and I'll also include links in the description below the video here, so in the description box. So let's have a look at the new soaps from Alice's Wonders. I'm very excited. Okay, so I'll just get stuck in. Oh, as soon as I open the box, I can smell the fragrance of the soaps, and it's just gorgeous. So I bought a few of the soap savers. So these are absolutely wonderful to keep your soaps in, and you can use the bag as almost like a abrasive sort of scrubbing pad with the soap inside. So it sort of works as a sort of a two-in-one functional purpose, which is absolutely brilliant. So I've got a few of those. We've got okay, so here we have, this is what happens when you purchase locally from local artisans, local companies. A real person is doing a happy dance right now. So that's Fiona, of course. So very happy to support Fiona, and a few of the business cards as well. So that's Fiona and Brad at Alice's Wonders. Absolutely brilliant local Queensland company. So more of the soap. So these are the brand new soaps. Oh. Okay, so this is the scrubbing soap, which has the orange fragrance. And let's see if that'll work. There we go. So that's the scrubbing soap. I might just have a quick look at the actual soap itself. Beautifully packaged as well, isn't it? It's absolutely beautiful. Oh, wow. Oh, that smells just absolutely gorgeous. So this is the scrubbing soap to clean brushes. Just beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. And from here we have the cleansing soap and the conditioning soap also. So it might be an idea to start with the cleansing soap, work onto the scrubbing soap, and then finish with the conditioning soap, just to leave the bristles absolutely perfect. What's the fragrance of this? Eucalyptus. Oh, it's just beautiful. So this is the soap. Oh wow. Okay, so we've got the logo there as well. Really beautiful. it makes all the difference to buy something sort of handmade as opposed to something sort of mass produced from a company. When you buy something handmade, it's just it's a little bit more special, isn't it? Or is it just me? What do you think? Comment. Please comment and let me know what you think. And here we have the conditioning soap. And this is coconut oil, olive oil, shea butter, certified palm oil and fragrance oil. And oh, that's beautiful. Okay, so that's it there. Just stunning. So that almost, I don't know if it's because it's been sitting in the bag with the lemongrass and I'm quite partial to it, but it almost feels like it's got a that beautiful shave butter, but also with a hint of lemon, like a citrus kind of vibe to it as well. But here we are. So that's aliceswonders.com.au for soaps for brushes. They do work on oil paints as well. So if you're wanting to clean a brush that you've been working oil paints with, this will take the paint off. Maybe it'll take a bit of that Fusion Mineral Azure paint that I've got on my hand there. And the scrubbing, so just look at the scrubbing brush again, or the scrubbing soap. Beautiful. I already know that it's going to work a treat on the brushes and leave them feeling absolutely brand new. It's remarkable when you buy these sorts of soaps, when you buy this soap from Alice's Wonders, when you use this on a brush compared to, so the soap I used to have, this one, I just ran out and I was cleaning some brushes with some, just a bar of, you know, standard soap from somewhere, you know, just like a Coles or something. And it left the bristles feeling almost brittle and so dry compared to it. And so it's not until you start using a really great quality brush soap that you realize just how conditioning and beautiful it leaves your brushes. So you take care of the brushes, you'll just have them that much longer. You know, it just increases their usability life that much more. So definitely worth the investment. And I believe that Fiona's just reduced the price of these soaps as well. So I think by about half price. So remember that if you buy all 3 of these in one purchase, that you'll get a discount to purchase more soaps, I believe it is. I'm not too sure. I'll link it below. But certainly worth the purchase. So I hope this has been a little bit helpful for you, and you do try Alice's Wonders, and you love it as much as I do.